Okay, let's check what we have. By the way, I'm using Ulanzi Hummingbird for my mounts. Safe and secure, easy to remove, easy to install. Okay, let's preview the recordings using OTG and plug it onto phone for better viewing. So here I have Type-C OTG card reader. Then I'm going to insert on my iPhone. Good to have this small size OTG micro SD card reader. Very portable. You can work and leave it there on your phone. And it's really very useful. Okay, let's go to files now. Go back. Then we go to the USB drive, which is the untitled. Then video. Then here's my recording, the 4 on top. You see, this is the one. My resolution here is 1080 at 60 frames per second. So the quality is acceptable. It's okay, especially for low light. This is night time, so as you can see, not so much noise. Acceptable. As a dashcam, I think this is good enough. But the problem, I can record only for around 30 to 40 minutes. And it's just enough for my bike to work, which is around 22 minutes to 25 minutes, including the stops. Here, I managed to put the timestamp, which is important for every CCTV or dashcam. So at least you have the time and date of the incident. Maybe for long rides, I will attach a power bank beside of this camera so that I can record longer. Don't expect too much on this camera. This is just a very cheap one. So as you can hear, the sound is a bit thin. So if you're going to use this for social media or YouTube, you can disable the sound or mute the sound, then put a nice background, something like this. Then lower down the sound of the video or mute the video sounds. By the way, this camera is Eken H9R 4K Ultra HD. If you want to learn more about this camera, you can watch my unboxing video which I created 3 years ago. I also created a testing and review for this camera. You can find the link on the video description below. I hope this camera is still available in the market. Ride safe everyone, and God bless us all.